In this video, we will see how to do sourcing for PCB assembly order. The process is also same for any other sourcing for manufacturing. If procurement is not generated already, then we will begin by creating procurement. To do that, click on the procurement button that will show pop-up to create manufacturing order and purchase inquiries for the BOM components. We will select two suppliers and click create procurement. This will generate one manufacturing order that we will not touch right now and two purchase inquiries for two different suppliers. We will now go to purchasing section and open inquiries page. We will see our two inquiries listed in pending section. One by one, we will send each inquiry to supplier by clicking send inquiry button. After sending both the inquiries, they will list in quotes pending section. At this stage, we will wait for quotation from the suppliers. Upon receiving quotes from the supplier, we will import the prices quoted by suppliers into our inquiries. We can do that by importing the spreadsheet as shown here, one by one for each inquiry. Once both quotes are received, we can send both or selected quote for approval. The approver will get notification for this action. The approver will then open the quote and either approve or reject the quotation. On click of the approve button, a pop-up will display other quotations side by side for the comparison. Similarly, a quote can also be rejected with a rejection reason. The approved quote becomes an unconfirmed purchase order. Go to purchase order list and open the purchase order we just created. Then click on the confirm order button. That will display the pop-up to send the confirmation to the supplier. After confirming the order, you can wait for the goods to arrive. When the material arrives, we can generate receipt from the purchase order. On the contrary, you can generate the receipt right after PO is made. That will act as a kind of to-do for the stores.